Google controls more than 90% of the online search market. The U.S. Justice Department says the company maintains a monopoly by paying billions of dollars to device makers and telecommunications companies to make it the default search engine on their products.
Samsung and Apple were making a lot of money from Google, paying them to put their device as the default search engine.
In the past, trustbusters targeted industries that monopolized products like oil or services like telephones. But consumer advocates say the Google monopoly is something new.
We're now talking about data monopolies and the danger of data monopolies. Before this, I don't think anyone really believed that having too much data could result in a monopoly. But the judge's ruling says it.
Look at it this way. If the internet were a grocery store, Google has bought up almost all of the shelf space, giving consumers little choice but to consume its product, which in this case is advertising.
And you get less innovation. If there's a monopoly, you don't want to innovate. You want to sit there on top of the status quo.
Google argues that it's the most successful search engine because it's the best search engine. But now that a judge has rejected that argument, Google will likely appeal. And if the judgment is upheld after an appeal, there will be a separate remedy phase. Many analysts believe that the U.S. government will seek a less drastic remedy than breaking the company up, such as requiring Google to stop paying device makers and internet providers to be the default or exclusive search engine on their products. That would allow competitors to enter the market, and possibly with better products.
The government has other major antitrust cases in the works against big tech companies including Apple, Amazon, and Meta, the parent company of Facebook. Rob Reynolds, Al Jazeera, Los Angeles.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.